morning, everybody. We have a new incoming vehicle. This is a Camaro ZL1 with collision damage. We'll go over the damage momentarily. So we have damage to the front bumper here. Quick walk around. Sorry for the horn in the background. Some impatient driver. Left side looks pretty good. We need door glass here. We ordered it. We're going to install it when it comes in. Left rear wheel has some damage. Rear bumper cover is a little offline. Now we're getting to the bulk of the damage. Here, the left rear quarter panel has some damage. Left rear wheel is back. Something hit the wheel on this side. So you need a drop-off suspension here. You got to buckle in the quarter here. The door's a little offline. No buckles in the roof. Let's take a look under the hood. Everything looks good under the hood. No movement on the motor, no damage to the coolers. Radiator support, frame rails, everything looks straight. Really nice under the hood. Just a light bump in the front. Let's take a look inside. We have one seat airbag that's deployed on the side. Forward airbags are good. I believe we have that door panel. Looks like the glass was already installed. I have to check on that door panel, but if we have it, when we image the car on our website, it'll be with the door panel on. We'll post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.